Did you know that the word neon is derived from the Greek word neos, meaning new? It's also the rarest element on Earth and used to light neon signs. Join me, Jenny Fish, for the Neon Dreams Cowl Knit-Along. It's a one-episode knit-along where I'm shining a new light on the herringbone stitch and knitting up a textured, stylish, and warm cowl. Using only one skein of Tosh DK and a 2-round repeat of the herringbone stitch, we'll go from cast on to bind off, all in one tutorial. The Neon Dreams Cowl is perfect for a quick weekend knit, and it also makes an awesome last-minute addition to an outfit or a gift for a friend. It is totally cool on the inside, just as well as the outside, so you get 2 different stitch patterns. Visit onebighappy.com now to order your kit that includes the yarn and pattern, then join me for the Neon Dreams Cowl Knit-Along. Totally tubular knitting!